The 2014 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.